Hi everyone. So the reason I'm recording this session is that I have a message to give, and this message is to everyone who is listening to this video, but also for myself to remind something very important. Now, first things first. I know we are going through crazy times these days. It's something which nobody anticipated, not anybody individually, and not we as a global community, and nobody was ready to handle this kind of situation. So it's very obvious in these times to feel anxious, to feel afraid, to feel very fearful, because we actually don't know when this is going to end. And there are job losses, people are already having salary cuts, people are being asked by companies to put down their papers, businesses are facing severe losses. We don't know when the economy as such is going to really come back as it was before COVID-19 happened. So the fear, the anxiety, everything, whatever is happening to us, it's pretty normal. And it's okay to have these feelings. It's okay if you are not able to sleep at night because you're feeling anxious about something. But the message, the philosophy that I'm going to kind of share with you today is that what I understand is that this entire situation, as crazy as this is, it is not something which is happening to you or to me or to anybody individually. It is not personal. It is something the entire humanity is facing, and it is not in your control. So if it's not in your control, you can't do anything about it. So this entire philosophy takes out a lot of burden from you, takes off the burden from your shoulders, that it's not in your hands, you can't do much about it. Even if you overthink about the situation, or even if you kind of become fearful, this nothing is going to help. Jobs are going to go, people will face serious repercussions, and that's a fact. Now, the only thing in this entire chaos is that what possibly you can do is to control something which is yours, to control something which is controllable. Uh, I think the only thing that is controllable for people, at least people of privilege, is their time, right? So invest this time into something creative. Invest your time into probably learning a new skill. If you're anticipating that you might be asked to leave your job, or you're anticipating facing some business losses, uh, just invest into something which is not probably going to help you in short term, but in the long run. And have a sense of routine. Make a timetable, wake up according to that timetable, eat, exercise, have some sort of routine in your lives. And if you have that, if you manage to get that, trust me, your sense, the kind of feelings that you're having, the negative feelings, they will get sorted to an extent. And the last thing I probably want to again emphasize is that even if you get fired from your job, even if you don't have a place to stay in the city you are living, and you again have to go to your hometown, don't take it personally, because it's actually not about you. The entire world is going through this, and this time shall pass.